Hello there. Thank you for joining me for a quick demonstration of how TimesThis is automating ticket scheduling within HALO PSA. Here we have a service ticket that just recently got created by our client Erica over at PSA Consulting. She submitted a ticket with regard to an issue with the printer at the front lobby. And that's all the information that we have. So our triage team will go in and pre-process the service ticket according to the ticket type, the workflow status, and so forth to try to get as much information as possible. Now, at this point, we want to try and schedule something with the client to gather additional information and potentially come up with a resolution plan. But this is where we're hearing a lot from our customers is the fact that there's a lot of back and forth movement going on with trying to get an appointment on the books. Whether it's an email that's a back and forth ping pong or a telephone tag situation with voicemails being sent over to say, hey, client, are you free at this time? Can we meet up and talk to you about this service ticket? Well, TimesThis solves that by allowing you to be able to send over a scheduling request directly to the client, allowing them to be able to find the best available date and time to set up the appointment with, and get it updated onto the service ticket as soon as that appointment has been scheduled. To start with it, we go into the TimesThis tab here. And the setup of that appointment scheduling request is pretty simple by starting off with selecting the resource that you want to assign the appointment to. These are your users, so we can set up individual users, or we can set up a team, which is a pool of users, and TimesThis has the capability and the logic to be able to find the best available resource based off of the chosen date and time that the client picks. In this situation, I know that Ben is the best resource to be able to handle this kind of call or this kind of printer issue. So I'm going to go ahead and assign Ben to this appointment. Now we're going to select the appointment type, which is a collection of different kinds of appointments that you could set up with your clients, whether it's a phone call, a remote session with Microsoft Teams, a on-site visit, a QBR, anything of that nature that you can set up with your client. In this case, I know that I want to do a 30-minute phone call with Erica, so I simply just need to select the phone call 30 minutes appointment type and then proceed with clicking the button to send over that scheduling request. Now, as you can see, the status of the service ticket that got automatically updated. We've also created the appointment scheduling request within the TimesThis tab. I also want to go back into the progress to show that a note has also been added that shows that TimesThis sent an email to the client asking them to select a time for that appointment. Now I want to go into the inbox of Erica and show you what it looks like on the client standpoint of what they do to be able to choose the appointment time. Now here's the email that got sent over to Erica. It's a simple email with the easy details of the ticket itself and the button allowing them to choose a time that is best for them. Now, this is where the TimesThis integration comes into play, where we are pulling the appointment details and the availability of Ben inside of Ben's HALO calendar. We have additional calendar integrations out there, so TimesThis does have that capability to read not only the HALO PSA calendar, but also to other calendars that we integrate with. Here, Erica is best free on the 23rd at 11 o'clock, so is Ben, so we're going to go ahead and choose that time. Now we also have the capability to be able to enter a phone number if this is a phone call kind of appointment. Now in this situation, Erica's just not going to be at her desk at that time, so we're going to go ahead and put in a different phone number so that Ben will now know to reach out to Erica off of this phone number instead. Now we do have the capability to be able to update this phone number directly onto the service ticket, or we can actually update the contact record as well inside of HALO PSA. Whatever the settings may be, your choice to do that. So they are confirming by selecting the button, and as you can see, we immediately successfully scheduled the appointment with Ben on the selected date and time. So I'm going to go back into Erica's inbox, and I want to show you that an email got sent out again right after, showing the meeting invite that was sent over to Erica to confirm and have it added onto her calendar, as well as an email template that confirms that the phone call has been set up or the phone call appointment has been set up specific to that service ticket. All right, so I'm going to go back into the service ticket again, and it got updated in the background automatically. The status of the service ticket got updated to a time zest scheduled, and we've also updated the note one more time to say that Erica did choose a specific time for the appointment, as well as the appointment itself. It got created based off of that selected date and time, and then also to Ben got automatically updated as an agent to be assigned to the service ticket. So that completes the process of scheduling with TimeZest. If you'd like to learn more about it, please jump onto timezest.com and sign up for a demo and go into some other use cases such as team scheduling or booking multiple resources on a ticket. So it's really good to be able to do this demo with you. I'm really looking forward to seeing you later on. Take care.